here it says Geltiles, but
This is Aryan's killer robot. He actually stalks.
see, you can see here. Yellow, red, orange is looking. I don't know if you can see the colors properly, but I think you can see. This is my favorite Barbie. She had 2 shoes, but she lost one. My mom, who is recording, you might not be able to see her, but she's right there. She is going to give us only 20 magnetic tiles. She'll put on a timer for 1 minute, and we shall only use all the 20 pieces. So let's get started. Let's start it. Yes!
Okay, so I have given them 20 pieces of magnetic tiles.
You can count. 1,
Yeah.
2, 1.
And there's a timer here. I'll start the timer and it will be a 1 minute challenge for the kids. Okay, let's start. Google, wait for the timer, please.
Yes.
So it's a 1 minute timer. Okay, so we will start the timer. It's a 1 minute timer. Okay, as soon as we start, you need to make something with the 20 pieces of magnetic tiles. Okay.
What about this? Wait.
Wait. Okay, so I will count. So the timer goes 1, 2, 3, start. Let's see what they make. Quickly. Quickly. Yeah, it is.
But I don't have any square piece.
It's okay, make it with them. Yeah, whatever you have, you make. Making this. Let's see. Timer, 11 more seconds. 10, 9, 7.
No!
It's already 3. Come on. 1 minute. This is what Google made, and this is what Aryan made. Aryan, stop. Fine. Wonderful.
This is what I did.
Let's see what you made. Wow.
So now my mom will give 2 minutes.
So 2 minutes, Google, Aryan, and Google.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we'll start the challenge once again. Okay, kids. Now, kids, we will give you 2 minutes. Okay, and I will give you all the magnetic tiles. So you have to make something with that. Okay, we have the timer here. I will start the timer. Okay, Aryan, you need to restart. Okay, restart. Hey, please. Okay. So the challenge is for how many minutes?
2 minutes, but before we start, make sure, right? I am
Very good.
with 1 little dab.
Okay, now we'll start our game. Okay, the timer will put it for 2 minutes now, and I have given more tiles to the magnetic tiles to the kids. Okay, Aryan, you have to restart again. Okay, so you will start when I say 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, wait, Aryan.
No, I'm just opening this.
Okay, no
because
problem.
It will separate.
Okay, no problem, baby. Okay.
And then it's separate.
All right.
And then it's separate.
Okay. Now, the timer is here.
And then it's separate.
Okay. Aryan and Google, get ready. 1, 2, and 3, start.
Quick, Google, quick. Oh my god.
Google, try something. Look at Aryan. Yes, used all the 3 here. Okay. Good job, Aryan. Good job. Good, Google. Good going. Let's see. Quickly.
Now what do you want to do?
It's the time is here. The timer is here. Oh, quickly. Your countdown. Okay. You have 1 minute and 9 seconds. 1 minute 9 seconds. Now it's 6. You have 1 more minute. Quickly make. You can. Come on, you can. You all are doing wonderful job. Very good. So it's 45 seconds, 44, 43, 42, 1, 40. Come on. Quickly. Aryan. You are doing good job, Aryan. Very good, Google. Very good, Aryan. No, you still have time. You all have time. 27 more, 26. Start doing. Just more. Make with them. Come on, quickly. Quickly. Make quickly, Google. Come on. Oh, sorry, kids. We had to stop the timer. In between, I got a call. Okay, it's already 2 minutes. I will give you. Wait. Let's see. I'll give you a few more seconds. Okay. I'm so sorry, kids. I got a call in between and I had to, stop the recording. So I give you 30 more seconds. Time starts now. 30, 28, 26, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 9, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Oh, it's 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And wow, this is beautiful. Aryan, stop. Great, good job.
Royal boat for a royal.
Wow, beautiful win. Oh.
It's not a challenge, but it's not actually a challenge.
Unique, castle together.
Together.
Let's start.
So, first. Hey, what about me? I don't know when.
Okay, let's start.
I don't know when it's this too.
Move this, then you have this.
Quickly.
Okay, first, let's make the black one.
Which answer happened?
So my mom is also helping. Look at me.
Oh my god. Oh, look at it.
Let's do it quickly. Come on.
Let's take this. We're gonna make it 2. 4.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Can you give me this? Yeah, this side. Let's make it this side.
I wanted to do this one.
Quickly.
Yellow. Yellow.
Why does my side look so much like Christmas colors? Looks so much like Christmas colors. Just see it.
You can change it, okay? If you want to change something, you can. Oh my god.
Wait.
Let's do it. I'm sure we can.
Look at half the light. You're all in it. Wait.
I might fall a bit. Wait. Let's make something.
Big. This is.
Well, I hope it doesn't fall. I'll try this.
I'll start.
Restart. It's okay. We have time.
I hope I'll win.
Start.
Now we have to start.
Wait.
Now which one I'll do?
Wait for a while. It's done.
It's not.
We'll put out all here. Oh, robot also? Yes. Wait. Again, wait.
Where's robot? Beautiful. What was that?
Wait.
Where should this
Aryan, come this side.
What is this? One more.
We can make a playground for them. What is mommy doing? What is mommy making?
She's just too excited. Finally, she can do.
How was it, Google and Aryan? Had fun?
Everything.
Oh.
I think.
Pizza has to come here.
Pizza. Yeah.
Okay. Say bye. Aryan, say bye.